All right, so now we're going to talk about the CVS Core Vocabulary Foldout. And when you selected your kit, you had a couple of different options. The first option was selecting a symbol set. With CVS, there are two symbol set options. One is Boardmaker, and the other is Pixon. And then within those options, there are two core vocabulary foldouts. Either the 105, which contains 105 icons, or the 189, which contains 189 core vocabulary icons. Let's take a look at what each of those looks like right now. So, when looking at the CVES Core Vocabulary Foldout 105, you've either selected Boardmaker icons, seen here, or Pixon icons, seen here. The icons themselves are different, the symbols are different, but the language on the foldout is the same. So whether you've gotten the Boardmaker 105 or the Pixon 105, you have the same language in your system. The next foldout is the CVES 189. These icons are small in size, and once again, you've either chosen the Boardmaker icons, seen here, 189 icons, or the Pixon, seen here, which has 189 icons. Now let's look at these foldouts in a little bit more detail now. So let's talk about the CVS Core Vocabulary Foldout in more detail using the Boardmaker symbol set. So when we're talking about core vocabulary, we're talking about a concept relating to typical language development. It's the concept that 80% of what we say comes from a relatively small set of words, about 400 to 500 words. With the CVES Core Vocabulary Foldout, there's a range between either 105 words or icons on the CVES 105, all the way to 189 icons or words on the CVES 189. So if we look here at the CVES 105, the icon size of these icons is medium in size. So this is a good foldout for all access range and abilities. The icon size is large enough for visual motor integration to help a child access larger size icons. The icons themselves are arranged from left to right with pronouns, action words, location words, descriptors, and determiners, with question words at the top and some grammar markers as well. The icons are color-coded according to the Fitzgerald key of color coding. So we've got yellow for our people and pronouns, green for our action words, white for our question words, purple for our location words, blue for our descriptors, and an orange for our determiners. The icons themselves, these are the first 105 words that are used by typically developing children. And the icons in this system have been based upon research studies that demonstrate that these words are used more frequently than others. So moving on to the CVES 189 Core Vocabulary Foldout, which is seen here. So this foldout contains 189 core vocabulary words or parts of speech, and the icons on this foldout are small in size. So you're getting more words and more parts of speech with this foldout. In terms of determining which size foldout or which foldout you should obtain for your child, you're going to look at the access and the motoric piece for that child. So if a child can access the smaller size icons as opposed to the larger, you're going to select the 189. We always want to provide the most language possible for a child. So if a child can access a very small icon, this is the size that we're going to give them so that they can grow their language and have the maximum number of words possible. Like the 105, the layout is very similar. The color coding is the same, the symbol set is the same. You have yellow for your people and pronouns on the left side, although you're going to see additional vocabulary words with our 189. And then in the center, our action words and our verbs. Again, you're going to get more words with the 189. You have additional question words at the top and additional grammar markers as well. And then you're also seeing more vocabulary words for our preposition words, for our descriptors, and for our determiners as well.